We are rolling out the ability to share files directly from the jump list on the taskbar, which appears when you right-click on an app with a jump list like Notepad the taskbar. We are introducing an improvement to Snap in Windows 11 aimed at driving contextual learning and discovery of the feature. Inline messaging will now appear when you accidentally invoke the Snap bar, when dragging an app to the top middle of your desktop, or Snap flyout when hovering over the minimize or maximize button of an app. This messaging is designed to provide guidance on snapping app windows and educating users on the keyboard shortcuts for quickly snapping app windows in the future. We are trying several variants of this experience out. When Restore Previous Folder Windows at Logon is enabled in File Explorer, we will also now restore all the extra tabs which you previously had open in each File Explorer window. As part of this work, we have also updated the logic for the automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in, setting via Settings, Accounts, Sign in Options, so that when you enable this, we will automatically enable the File Explorer specific setting for you too. We're adding a new option to snooze or turn off the Start Backup reminder in the File Explorer address bar for those that aren't already backing up their documents, pictures, or desktop folders. This option is available when you right-click Start Backup. Spotlight on the lock screen. We're trying out a few different treatments for the top right hotspot, like the image that you see on the lock screen. You can now learn more about the Spotlight image on your lock screen by clicking on the like icon that takes you to the Spotlight landing page. Spotlight on the desktop. We're beginning to roll out some changes to the desktop Spotlight icon interaction model for Windows Insiders. You can now quickly and easily discover more information about your background image by simply hovering over or clicking on the Learn About This Picture icon on your desktop. We're beginning to roll out some additional changes to the desktop Spotlight icon for Windows Insiders to help with discoverability, including changes to the icon color / backplate and moving the icon to the bottom right position on your desktop. Settings Game Pass Ultimate and PC Game Pass subscribers coming to Settings homepage will begin to see a new card for referring a PC Game Pass subscription to their friends to try PC Game Pass for free. This new card will only appear on the Settings homepage if you're signed into your PC with your Microsoft account and meet the required eligibility criteria. We are temporarily disabling the Settings homepage for commercial customers on PCs managed by an IT administrator, which began rolling out with build 26,120.3073. We plan to address some issues and roll it out again in a future flight. We are removing the Location History feature, an API used by Cortana to access 24 hours of device history when location was enabled. With the removal of the Location History feature, location data will no longer be saved locally, and the corresponding settings are also being removed from Settings Privacy and Security Location page. Fixes gradually being rolled out to the dev channel with toggle on asterisk. General fix the issue causing unexpectedly high DCOM CPU usage for some insiders after opening the performance section of Task Manager. Lock screen fix an issue in recent flights where if you tried to reset your password from the login screen, it wouldn't work due to an underlying crash. File Explorer. As part of our ongoing commitment to improving File Explorer accessibility, this release includes increased support for the text scaling via Settings Accessibility, Text Size, across File Explorer, File Open/Save dialogues, and the Copy dialogues. Fix an issue causing the See More menu in the command bar to open in the wrong direction for some resolutions. Taskbar and System Tray. Fix an issue when using multiple monitors, where the distance between the date and time and edge of the screen wasn't consistent. Improved Windows Search. The following fixes are rolling out for improved Windows search on Snapdragon-powered Copilot Plus PCs. Fix the issue where the AI sparkle and underline animation in the File Explorer search box was not present. The search box on the taskbar now has the AI sparkle and underline animation, just like the File Explorer search box has. Fix the issue where in some rare cases, improved Windows search experiences may not be available and may require a reboot to start working. Fix the issue where in some rare cases, File Explorer search might be unresponsive and may require a reboot to start working. Fix the issue where the tip about the new search improvements would appear whenever you set focus to the search box in File Explorer, rather than only once. Input. Fix an issue where if you were using a non-default mouse color, enabled in Settings, Accessibility, Mouse Pointer, and Touch, it may unexpectedly revert back to white when you encountered a UAC dialog. Settings. Fix an issue causing settings to crash on launch for some insiders. Other. Fix an issue for shared PC users, where when signing in with a guest account using shared PC, the sign-in may fail. This happened if device lock password policies were configured. Changes and improvements gradually being rolled out to everyone in the dev channel. File Explorer. We are disabling account-based content in File Explorer under Recent, Favorites, Details pane, and recommended for Entra IDs in the European Economic Area, EA. Known issues, General. After you do a PC reset under Settings, System Recovery, your build version may incorrectly show as build 26100 instead of build 26120. This will not prevent you from getting future dev channel updates, which will resolve this issue. Recall, the following known issues will be fixed in future updates to Windows Insiders. New, some insiders may experience an issue where Recall is unable to automatically save snapshots and the setting can't be turned on in Settings. We're working on a fix for this issue. Reminder, make sure you update Microsoft 365 apps to the latest version so you can jump back into specific documents. Recall can be enabled or disabled from Turn Windows features on or off. We are caching the recall binaries on disk while we test add remove. In a future update, we will completely remove the binaries. Some users may see a message to make sure Recall is saving snapshots, while the settings page for Recall shows saving snapshots is enabled. Reboot your device to resolve this issue. Click to do. The following known issues will be fixed in future updates to Windows Insiders. Reminder, if any of your actions on image entities are no longer appearing, please ensure you have the latest updates for the Photos and Paint app from the Microsoft Store. Sometimes additional context is given when using more intelligent text actions powered by PhiSilica. The intelligent text actions leverage the power of Microsoft's Secure Cloud to improve your text results by ensuring prompts and responses are safe and appropriate. This data is automatically deleted. Local moderation to ensure the safety of prompts and responses will be added in the future, replacing this cloud endpoint. Live captions and real-time translation. The following known issues will be fixed in future updates to Windows Insiders. Some insiders may see a crash on first launch of live captions. Restart live captions if you encounter this issue and you will not see it again. If audio is playing or the microphone is enabled, switching languages will crash live captions. Stop audio when changing languages to resume captions or translations. File Explorer. We're investigating an issue causing File Explorer to be very slow to close for some insiders when closing using the X button. This may also have an impact on the other title bar buttons. Power and battery. The colors in the new battery icon aren't displayed correctly when you have your mode in personalization, colors set to certain options with custom. Reminders for Windows Insiders and the Dev Channel. Windows Insiders in the Dev Channel receive updates based on Windows 11 version 24H2 via an enablement package, build 26120.xxxx. Update. If you are in the beta channel, these updates are currently offered to you as an optional upgrade, and you can upgrade when you are ready to do so. We plan to make these updates recommended in the beta channel later this year, which means you will eventually get upgraded to 24H2 based updates automatically. Updates delivered to the dev channel are in a format that offers a preview of enhancements to servicing technology on Windows 11 version 24H2. To learn more, see https://aka.ms/checkpoint cumulative updates. Many features in the dev channel are rolled out using control feature rollout technology, starting with a subset of insiders and ramping up over time as we monitor feedback to see how they land before pushing them out to everyone in this channel. For Windows Insiders in the dev channel who want to be the first to get features gradually rolled out to you, you can turn on the toggle to get the latest updates as they are available via Settings, Windows Update Star. Over time, we will increase the rollouts of features to everyone with the toggle turned on. Should you keep this toggle off, new features will gradually be rolled out to your PC over time once they are ready. Features and experiences included in these builds may never get released, as we try out different concepts and get feedback. Features may change over time, be removed or replaced, and never get released beyond Windows Insiders. Some of these features and experiences could show up in future Windows releases when they're ready. Some features in active development we preview with Windows Insiders may not be fully localized, and localization will happen over time as features are finalized. As you see issues with localization in your language, please report those issues to us via Feedback Hub. Please note that some accessibility features may not work with features like recall, and click to do while in preview with Windows Insiders. Because the dev and beta channels represent parallel development paths from our engineers, there may be cases where features and experiences show up in the beta channel first. Thank you for tuning in to this comprehensive overview of Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 26,120.3281. Remember to subscribe to TechVerse for all your cutting-edge tech news and updates.